Once.
Upon. Time.
There.
Was.
2.
Idiots.
Sitting.
On.
The.
Beds.
When. When.
Then.
When then? What kind of sentence is that? How the hell do you start? You know what? Screw this. I'm going to bed. I'm going to sleep. Okay, you can go to bed over there. I'm gonna go nap over here. I'm going to bed. I'm tired of your crap. Good night. Holy shit.
Oh, it's so sick. It makes me want to bark like a dog.
Why are you spinning so fast?
Here, let me try again. Now wait. Wait for it.
Wait.
Yeah. There you go.
My God. You're spinning so fast. Ah! You're like hopping up and down.
Spin dash.
I don't think this is what they meant by spin dash. I'm gonna beat you up.
Yeah. No, I'm beating you up right now. Kick.
You're kicking my shins.
Kicking.
This is big ass shoes.
We have the same shoe size.
What the f is that? Is that the Spooky Scary Skeletons one? Your legs, your knees are like. What the Ew! You like go. Look at your knee joints. Look at your joints. I don't think you're supposed to. I don't think your leg's supposed to do that. I don't. You okay, Sonic? You okay? Nothing's wrong with being a guard. Don't worry about it. You know, we'll start off on night 5.
No,
Yes. I just start doing the dance. Anyways, guys, since I can't hear Miku at the moment because, you know, I'm the animatronic and far away, I'm sick right now while I'm recording this, so apologies for sniffling a lot. Hi, how are ya? Hi, how are ya? Hey, buddy! Hey, it's me! Hey, come on! Peek your head out! Let me in, come on! Hey, buddy! Come on, let me in, come on! Come on, don't lock the doors, come on! I see your doors are open, come on, let me in! You'll let me in, right? Let me in.
I don't know when you'll be in the front door.
Let me in, boy. Let me in.
I don't like this.
Let me in, buddy. Come on. Let me in! Boo!
There you go. Go on.
Ah! I just poke my arms.
No.
Hi. You can see me? Hi. Hi, how are you? Oh, are you kidding me? It put me back here?
I'm so scared. I just so horrified. Oh.
Damn it. It's time. It's time for the animatronics to get their revenge. We're getting our revenge whether you like it or not, alright? Come on.
One more night. Not one more night. One more hour.
Let me in. Come on.
I'm already here.
It gets a little lonely at night. Don't you wanna have some company? Yeah, come on, let me in. Your old pal. Your best buddy. Come on, let me in. Come on, let me in. Come on, let me in.
You're so stinky.
You're stinky. Come on, let me in. Come on, 20 more seconds. Come on. Let me in. Let me in. Right now. Open this door. Open.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Come on. 50% power. Oh, you got a lot of power. Come on, just let me in.
10, 11, 12.
It's a lot of power for one person. Come on. Damn it! No! 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 What is this BS? I can't believe this.
Where am I?
I don't even.
Oh, no.
The hell?
Oh no!
You should go up to him. Go up to him.
No,
Walk up
you
to
go,
him.
you go.
Oh god, he's coming.
Push him out! Get him out of here! Get him out of here!
Get out of here!
Yeah, boy. Get out of here! No!
The hell was that?
That's scary.
The hell was that? So we're stuck in an elevator and we don't know what we're doing. Where are we even going? This is. How do we get to the next one? Do we just wait?
What
Hell is
are
that?
we?
Oh, is that? Oh!
Just stay inside and not leave.
Wait, why is Moto moving
Moto,
around?
get out.
Hell out of here.
Moto,
Another invisible wall. He's just gonna be stuck here the whole time. Might as well just. Listen, just enjoy his company.
Let's just...
Oh my god! Oh, he's got me! He's got me! He's got me! Bruh. Bruh. He took me, and then there was a giant troll face. He took me away, and there was a giant troll face. He took me to a giant troll face, and then he dropped me into the abyss. What the hell was that?
You fucking dead!
I got taken away against my will, alright? I don't want to hear it.
You got kidnapped and got
Yes.
killed and murdered brutally.
Yeah, by Barney.
And Moto is still here. Oh my god, SpongeBob!
Oh, or is this the deep part of Bikini Bottom? What the?
Wait, did we
Hey.
get hit by a bus?
Oh my god! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Wait, stay right here, What? We're dead!
Goodbye!
You launched everywhere! You got launched! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, ew! Ew! There's rats everywhere! Ew! There's so many of them! Well, run away! Why is this? Oh, there's so many rats! There's a rat spawn! Oh my god! Oh my god, my frames were dying back there. I hope there's no more rats. Unless stop, no.
Unless.
Wait, click the button that says up. There's a cat here.
Where? There's no
Click
button that says
the
up.
bottom right button on the elevator.
Bottom right. What? Wait, picnic. It's Matthew! It's Matthew!
Look over here.
Where? Oh, let's go! Yeah!
Oh!
Let's go! I have the
Get a picture, get a picture, get a picture of it! Oh, the cat! It's stretching around! What the hell was that?
That was amazing. I took so many pictures.
Alright.
Matthew, you will protect
Your
me from all
sacrifice
dangers.
tribute is here!
Goodbye.
No! Bring me the cat! Miku? Miku?
You can't reach it.
Oh no. Okay, here it is. Look at this, look at this. Goodbye! Farewell, Mr. Egg!
Goodbye, no.
And they were never seen from again.
And they'll never come back.
They died.
It's just there now.
How beautiful!
Wow, 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 wow. I could go.
Wait, do it again. Holy shit! What is that emote? Why are you upside down?
It's called backflip for you.
It's a really slow backflip. It's a slow ass flip.
Yeah, you have to do a lot of dances first before you have to backflip.
Yes, my anti-gravity flip. Holy shit. Oh my god. It's just the way he goes sideways is so funny. Why are you clapping? The whole video is just gonna be us in the green screen room with a bunch of bullcrap going on. And we're not even gonna get to the actual video. It's just gonna be this. This is gonna be its own video. This whole thing is gonna be its own video at this point. Like, oh my god, I have like at least like 10 minutes of footage already. This is too much. This is
what we're doing is basically the before video. Before
the behind the
recording house
scenes.
video.
Ah, yes, behind the scenes.
Exclusive footage.
I can't even do a backflip, you know?
Oh, you
It's
want to do
fine.
backflips?
Holy sh! Oh shit! Oh my god, I'm gonna choke. I'm gonna choke. I'm so I think I'm actually gonna choke. Oh my god, I gotta stop the dancing. I gotta stop the dancing or I'm gonna throw up. Oh my god. I'm stuck. Oh my god, that was. Oh my god. I almost choked. What is the other point? What am I doing? Look at my arm. Miku, look at my arm. Holy shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh my god! Look at that! Look at this one! Look, Miku, please look at that! Yeah! Yeah! Yippee! Yippee! What the? What is that? What is this one? Crip walk. Oh my god! Holy shit! It's so fast, like, oh my, oh!
It's just two fucking idiots.
It's so bad. It looks so stupid. Car shear?